last tired night that Shine and I have barely had any time to talk to each other, so we're finally going to chat. Shine, tell me, who was your most fun person to interview on the red carpet?
Well, Ayushmann Khurrana was really fun because he was totally surprised by his nomination because it was for the best singer category for Panida. And Ilyana also told me about her mystery man, her arm candy on the red carpet tonight. So it was pretty much fun.
I know, I had some pretty interesting moments as well. I tried to steal Karan Johar's shoes. It wasn't successful. My earrings fell off when I was trying to interview Vivek Oberoi. And oh yeah, I helped a lot of the actresses with their almost near red carpet disasters.
So it was a crazy night, and you go check out all the fun moments on the red carpet.
We had no expectations when we were making this film. Everything went wrong. Whatever could go wrong with the film went wrong with this film. But I think all the credit must go to Anurag Basu, because he just stuck to his vision. He did something.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
These are the crazy red carpet moments that will go in.
I know. So he stuck with the vision, and I think that's what this is a greater victory than anything else. That I've just not been nominated with such talented actors and such legends, actually. There's Mr. Salman Khan, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan,
Yes.
there's Irfan Khan, there's Manoj Bajpayee. There's such great talent, so it just feels great. Just like to say that Shah Rukh sir played safe this year. No, I'm kidding. I've grown up watching them host the film fair, and that really actually inspired me, gave me confidence to host the film fair. So I really look forward to it.
Ranbir, no arm candy for you for this red carpet.
No arm candy. Why don't you come with me?
Oh, I'm sure.
Tell me truthfully, how long did this look take you guys?
Well, today it was 1 hour.
Oh, wow. Did it take 1 hour for you too?
No, he's like 5-minute guy.
I'm glad you are.
You watched a lot of the movies this year as well. Which is your favorite?
I think it's hard to pin one down. I'm just learning about this. No, I'm learning about the medium, and it's very different than Western films.
Yes.
And so some of it's a discovery for me, and I think it's been amazing.
Can you name a few of these discoveries?
Oh, Burfi was very
Oh,
interesting.
yes. Which is your favorite film of Madhuri?
To be honest with you, we don't watch a lot of them at home. And, I always support everything she does, so it's a tough one for me to say. I think I like them all.
Madhuri, when you were selectively doing movies all the time, your name was a given in every year's Best Actress category. When do we see you finally making that return? We know you're shooting for Gulab Gang right now. So next year, hopefully, we can also expect to see Madhuri in the Best Actress category?
We'll see, because it also depends on how the movie turns out. Of course, I would love it to be that way, and I'm working hard, and we are very excited about the movie.
Joining me on the red carpet right now, the gorgeous Sri Devi and Mr. Boney Kapoor. Tell me, what's going through your mind right now? What's going through your mind right now?
At the moment, I'm just worried about my gown. I hope nobody steps on that.
I want to know, what is the best compliment you have received for English Winglish, because you were outstanding in the movie?
Well, it came from my husband. Without many words, he just, with the expression, I could...
I want to see the expression. Let's get the cameras.
That's only for
Well,
me.
with the expression, there was something else too. I just gave her a big hug.
You're a red carpet diva. You've done this all the time. I have to ask you, one red carpet do, one red carpet don't.
Do is to keep it simple if you're confused, and don't is definitely don't just wear everything.
My last question, is there any red carpet disaster that you can think of that happened to you possibly earlier?
Yeah, I was wearing a sari and my blouse opened on red carpet. That was a big disaster.
Okay, Okay, so she's got a very old world look happening right now. I want to know about this look, Anushka Sharma. I love your eyes, the red lipstick, the bouffant hair. Tell me about it.
You know, I'm doing this whole act performing to the songs of 1960s and 1950s, celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. So I thought, let me just take it forward on the red carpet also. So I think this is pretty like 1960s Hollywood. So yeah, just merging the two.
I want to get a sneak peek at what the back looks like.
There is no back.
That is very, very sexy. Very nice. So tell me now, we've been talking to everyone on the red carpet and all the ladies have been lying to us and telling us how they got dressed in 15 minutes, 17 minutes. You be honest. Tell me how long.
In an hour, it takes an hour is like minimum.
Tell me one red carpet disaster that you remember.
My first Filmfare gown, and you do not go back to it. I will kill you, Janice. I swear. The first time I attended Filmfare, I was wearing this gown and it arrived really late, so the fitting was all off. And then since I was so new, I thought, big deal. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Till I saw the pictures and I was like, damn it, फर्क पड़ना चाहिए था.
On the Filmfare red carpet with me, Ranveer, why are you so late?
I was actually rehearsing for my performance. I'm very nervous. So it's 100 years of Indian cinema and I'm putting up an act on this very, very special event. I wanted to be good, so I was squeezing in as much rehearsal time as possible.
We've been seeing you sporting this mustache and this beard, and women generally tend to have very different kind of reactions to that. What's the best compliment you've received? What's the worst reaction you've received?
I get some sort of reaction, good and bad. I'm really attached to it. And I keep doing this. I think when it goes, I'll miss it. I'll be twirling the hair.
And you have that beard comb. That's what Ranveer used. That's what Imran used to carry all the time.
Oh yeah. We met at the Jab Tak Hai Jaan premiere and we compared notes about these things.
So he showed you his beard.
You have that comb. You do this. You know. And when that happens, it was nice to compare notes with him about facial hair.
Where is your red carpet arm candy, by the way?
My arm can come.
Who's your date tonight?
Come, she's right there. Look.
Go get.
नहीं यार मेरी इतनी किस्मत कहाँ.
So Shaheen and me have caught up with the very bubbly, the very chatty, then the very super stunning tonight.
Thank you.
Parineeti Chopra.
Bubbly tag, I'm not understanding. It's called enthusiastic.
Okay, you're bubbly, nahi enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic, same thing, different meaning.
Happy.
So tell me now, Parineeti, this transformation, and I was just telling you, I always have a moment when I see you come all glammed up as an actor.
Everybody does, I think.
Tell me, how long did this evening look take you tonight?
Oh God, very long. Yeah, see, I wanted to actually be sleeping at home, but Filmfare is something I don't want to miss also. So then I had to sit and get ready. I only sit and I'm on my phone all the time, and people just do something to me, and I'm ready somehow when I come.
Oh, so you really didn't prepare for this big
No,
grand
nothing.
evening?
No.
Lies. Trials किए होंगे, makeup check किया होगा, बाल check किया
Must have
होगा.
gone to
मेकअप बाल
5
नहीं चेक किया, ट्रायल्स ऑफ कोर्स करे, लेकिन आज दोपहर को करे क्योंकि मैं रात सुबह तक शूट कर रही थी.
No arm candy for you tonight?
My sister.
Wow. Wow.
That's
She's there to
The
root.
most beautiful arm candy possible.
Oh, that's so sweet to bring your sister to the date. I mean, as a date, right, to the Filmfare Awards.
Well, if it's a moment that I want to remember, I would want to have her around to remember it with.
That's absolutely true. Have you had a red carpet disaster moment?
Well, not in the recent past, but when I was an assistant, when I was pretty irrelevant to the world on the red carpet, and I was slightly overweight, slightly.
Slightly.
I think I walked in wearing slippers somewhere. So I remember.
On a red carpet?
Yeah, I think I didn't read the invite, or I think I must have gate crashed that event or something.
Informal event.
Yeah, no, it was a formal event which I misread completely.
But today you were well dressed for it, yeah?
Thank you so much. I hope so.
Learn from your mistakes.
Yes.